this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Taiwan. Award-winning, amazing, magical Mom's Dry Noodle Scallop and Wadiao Wine Chicken Noodle Soup. So this is like freaking amazing. So the top 10 list this year is out of 4,120 reviews and my 10 favorites. Well, this is from what? My 10 favorites out of that, and you know, I don't know, is that gonna fit? Better fit. So I've done a lot of chicken instant noodles, as you can probably guess, and to say there's one that ended up in the second place on the top 10 list is really saying something, and this is that. This is just spectacular. This is like the most gourmet stuff I've ever had as far as a chicken noodle goes. So you take it, you add it to 200 mils of water. Oh. You get everything out of there? Yeah. I'm gonna add this sachet in. I think at the end, yeah. And then we have our noodle, thin noodle, and we're gonna cook this all together for 7 to 8 minutes. So I'll do 7.5. This is a Taiwanese dry noodle. There we go. Put it back on the heat. There. And we're off to the races, as they say. So, what's new with you? It's a nice day. I'm going to go out walking a whole bunch. I found that when I do my like 20-mile walks, like the last time I did one, I started the day off by doing a mukbang. I did a spicy Ramadan chapaguri, and it's just like tons and tons of carbs, but that's perfect if you're going to go out walking. So I did it, and I doed it, and I liked it. So come on, cookie, cook. Yeah, this one is absolutely spectacular, folks. It's like the most wonderful chicken flavor I've ever had in an instant. It's barely an instant though, because this is a dry noodle, so it's like the noodles are made, they're folded, they're put on bamboo mats, and they're put out in the sun, or they're put out, they're industrially dried with big fans. I've been to a couple places in Taiwan where they do that each way, and it's pretty neat. It's kind of a time-honored traditional way of making and preserving noodles. Oh yeah. Well, allergy season has started. I'm not really thrilled about that. I woke up this morning and it felt like there was I don't know what in my mouth, but I didn't like it. And yeah, so yeah. Getting started working on the video editing for the top 10 lists that I got going. I recorded the global top 10, the global bottom 10, global cups, and global bowls. So it's a ton of work, but it's great to do it that way because then I can get those all done and have stuff ready to go when I want to put them out. Because if I had to do that every time, I have to set up the green screen, all that stuff. I just might as well just spend all the time, get 4 ready, and then I'm good to go. One thing I'm running into is videos coming out for reviews really close. So like it's like I've kind of slowed down on actually pushing out reviews lately. I think the April or like a late March one, I looked at the release date for the this episode for that of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and it was only like 2 or 3 weeks apart. So there's certain things that I'll do a video and just push it out the same day. I did 6 unboxing videos yesterday and pushed them all out yesterday and today. So it's kind of a crazy deal, but it works out. Yeah, these noodles are just about done, honestly. Oh, and there's like tons of chicken in here. What's cool is there's like little chicken legs with bone and everything, and it just livens things up very happily. And I don't want this one to boil over. I don't. Now, what's going on? Oh yeah, the whole Will Smith smacking Chris Rock thing. And yeah, I think Will Smith is probably Vladimir Putin's favorite actor. Definitely took all the attention on Ukraine and just threw it right out the window. I don't know. Yeah. It's funny, there was a video of Will Smith talking about self-discipline and making bad decisions and stuff, like preaching at people. You can't make these bad decisions if you want to get on top and get all this wealth and blah, blah, blah. You have to make good decisions. It's like, you didn't make a very good decision the other day, sir. I don't know. I don't know how these people that are in such wonderful positions have time to be unhappy. Yeah. I don't know. I think a lot of it is ego, too. It's like, I'm winning an award. I'm the best. You dare? You dare? I don't know. It's big, stupid, silly thing. So, don't emulate that behavior, ladies and gentlemen. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Not worth your time. How much time we got left? Speaking of time, we got a couple minutes. Yeah, so just basically been hanging out, working on stuff. It's been going well. I've got another one tomorrow. Doing unboxings. Got more boxes coming too. It's just like all of a sudden I've got companies just saying, "Hey, how you doing? We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this." It's like, okay, all right. But like this one, the last one, and the next one, I wanted to get nice new pictures for the top 10 list. So that's what is going on here. And you'll see the fancy schmancy images that I've taken of these on those. Well, you'll see the thumbnail for this too. But these generally aren't going to have like full post rear reviews. They're already in the top 10. So that's pretty good. Pretty good right there. So let's see. We don't want to forget this. This is our little Wadya wine. It's almost done. It's got to be done by now. Come on. 30 seconds. Yeah. A lot of waiting for these, but it's worth it. They're good varieties. Top 10. This one's number 2 on the top 10. That's pretty crazy business right now. Yeah. There we go. And that is that. So let's put this in the Whoa. Perfecto. That's what I was looking for. Look at all that chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Just you look at that. This is all chicken. Wow. They really don't mess around when it comes to the chicken. Nor should they. But these noodles are very thin, so it makes it kind of hard to put them in the right spots. All right. Yeah, I think that was one thing. I was like, can you please send more? The last picture I didn't like how it looked, and I wanted it to look nicer. And that was the problem. It's like the noodle is great and all, but it doesn't want to support the chicken. That's pretty good. Then we're going to add in the wine. Drink the wine. All right, let's give this stuff a taste. A lovely, lovely broth. Here, I want you to see this. Come closer. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. That is something else. Congratulations. Wow. This is really cool stuff, folks. No, you can't get it in the United States. But you can travel to Taiwan and get it, and that's what I recommend doing. I am a walking, talking Taiwanese tourism billboard. Always, always. People are like, oh, where have you been? Where have you gone? Where would you go? Taiwan. It's a great place because not only is it like Taiwan, it's also a perfect launch pad. If you want to go to like anywhere in Southeast Asia, that's like pretty much the main hub. So if you want to go to Singapore, go to Taiwan. If you want to go to, at least from here, if you want to go to Thailand, you're going to go through Taiwan. Convenient, wonderful, amazing, old school Taiwan. And do I want to add mung bean sprouts? I could. That's something I could do. I don't know that I want to, though. I do want to add some scallion because I'm a big fan of scallion. Just like so. And I don't think we need a heck of a lot more. Some sesame seed. You can put other stuff in here, but you really don't need to. I mean, this is just like amaze balls right here. And there we go. All right, cool. As usual, thank you for watching. And the next one we'll have is an amazing variety from Malaysia, the award-winning My Kuali Penang White Curry, another top 10 lister that needs a new beauty shot. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.